Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and happy October, happy spooky season. So in today's video, as you can tell by the title, we are going to be doing a Halloween mystery box unboxing, but we're not doing Jeffree Star, we're not doing any makeup ones. This one is actually a very random and a first for me. I have never purchased from this brand before. I have never been on their site before. So basically, how this all came to be is I was scrolling on the Facebook, and you know how you get like sponsored ads or whatever? Yes, I know, another Facebook ad. Who's surprised? Not me. And I kept seeing ads for Halloween mystery boxes from this brand in particular called Blackcraft Cult, okay? And it said like Halloween mystery box volume 1, volume 5, and I was very intrigued. So I went on their site and I said, a Halloween mystery box from a brand I've never tried before. That sounds like a video to me. I took it upon myself to order myself one of the Halloween mystery boxes from their site. Blackcraft Cult, I'm not sure. I don't really know much about them, to be honest. This is like my first go around with everything. But this one intrigued me because there are a couple clothing items in here and one mystery item. So the box that I got is the Blackcraft Cult. This is the volume 1 Bat mystery box. Now, they do have a volume 5 out right now, which I think is for this season. But I don't know. I wasn't really feeling it. And then when I saw the bat one, I was like, ooh, I like the bat. I love bats. Bats are like some of my favorite things ever. Literally one of my favorite tattoos that I have is a bat. Okay, we love bats. I decided to get the volume 1, so this may be a little bit old. You may have seen this unboxed before, but I've never seen it. And yeah, I figured we could go ahead and try it. So I ordered it. Just to give you some deets, I got the Bat Volume 1 Women's Mystery Box, and I got it in a size small. The total for this box was $75. Shipping was $18.54. Excuse me. And the Michigan State tax was $5.61, making this box right here that I am holding in my hands, this cost me $99.15. Okay, this is $100 that I'm holding in my hand right here. Okay, that's a lot. The only details they give you for this box is that there are 3 clothing items. There are 2 shirts, a hoodie, and 1 mystery item. So you're getting a total of 4 things. I have no idea what any of this stuff looks like. I don't even know if this is going to match my aesthetic. I really only went off the cover of this box and I was like, that looks like my aesthetic to me. Let's go ahead and dive into my very first ever Blackcraft Cult Halloween mystery box. Also, this piercing is very, very new and very fresh. So if you're noticing some redness, some crusties, I am so fucking sorry. Okay, here we go. Okay. So right on top, here's what everything looks like inside the box. It looks like we have one, this must be the mystery item, I'm assuming. So let's see what this first item is. Oh, it looks like, oh, is this a bandana? Oh my god, this is so cool. Okay, so it looks like the first item that we got in this box is in fact a bandana, and it has the bat with the rose, and it says Blackcraft up in the corner. I am so sorry ahead of time. I do not know what this stuff means. I don't know what that is, what those symbols are. I honestly don't know, and I'm so sorry. I feel like I'm coming off as like a major poser right now, but yeah, I mean, it's a really cool bandana. I love the bat with the rose and like the little branchy looking things. That is freaking sweet. So if I were to wear this on myself, I would definitely wear it like this, so that the bat and the rose are exposed. It feels not very thick. It is very see-through. I don't know if you guys can see. Like, I can see the camera right now. I don't know if you can see my face, but I think it needs to be washed because it feels a little bit rough. And then I'm assuming the next few things in here are all clothing items. And I got everything in a size small, and I did get the women's box. I almost almost got the men's because I like baggier stuff on me, but I just decided to go with the women's. So this first thing right here, I'm assuming this is a shirt of some kind. So let's open this on up. Ooh. Looks like everything is very much labeled with their logo, which is fine. You know, Blackcraft, that's a cool name. Ooh. Okay. So this is the first shirt that we got. It says Blackcraft Cult, and it has like the bat skeleton, eternally nocturnal. Oh my gosh, this is like really cool, really, really badass. I will go ahead and try all of these on at the end so you guys can kind of see what it looks like, but this is a really cool shirt. Really creepy, totally up my alley. I love this. It's black with the red, and it has like the skeleton. Oh my gosh, that is amazing. And it is a small women's fit, so it does kind of have that like cut shape to it, and it's, whereas with men's it's basically just like one, whereas women's it's more curved, if that makes sense. The next thing, it looks like we have another shirt. Ooh, this one I think I'm gonna really like. Okay, let's see. Yup. Okay, so this one looks just like the front of the box. So here is the next shirt that we got. Again, it just says Blackcraft, and then it has the black and white bat hanging upside down right there. And on the bottom it says Carpe Noctem. I'm assuming that means seize the night or eternally nocturnal or something like that. I don't really know. Ooh, this is really cool. I really like this one because what grabbed me is the cover of this box. Like, I loved the box. So now that I have a shirt with the box cover on it, ooh, this is really cool. Really fun, cozy. It's black and red again. We love black clothing. That's like all I own. Okay, let's just be honest here. I think out of both the shirts, I think this one is definitely my favorite personally. Okay, so Carpe Noctem means seize the night. And I noticed on the first shirt, it has this saying on it. So I'm gonna look that up and see what that means as well. Ah, okay, so this Desmodus rotundus that was on this first shirt, this little saying right here, basically it just means common vampire bat. That's the scientific name. So this is the scientific name for bat. And there is, I believe, one more item. Yes, there's one more item left in this box. So now the box is empty. Looks like it, looks like it went through the woods or something. Okay, this one is, it looks like the hoodie. And the only thing I'm noticing is it is not a zip-up hoodie. I don't see any zippers on this. I believe it said on the site that it was a zip-up hoodie. I could be wrong, but let's double check. Yeah, so on their website, it says 2 limited edition t-shirts, which we got, and then it says 1 limited edition women's zip-up hoodie. Says it right there, plain as day, right on the site. 1 limited edition women's zip-up hoodie and 1 mystery item. I don't see any zips. Maybe I could be wrong. Maybe I'm looking at the back of it. Let's see. I'm gonna feel like such a fucking idiot if this is a zip-up hoodie. Ah! This is a zip-up hoodie! Ooh, cool. Okay. So here is what the front of the zip-up hoodie looks like. I literally thought it was a pullover this whole time. There's a zip right there. Do you guys see it? It's right there. I'm such an idiot. So on the front, it just says BCC, Blackcraft Cult, and it has the little rose with the little branchiness going on. Really cool. And this is like a dark black hoodie. I know my camera is for whatever reason blowing it out, but it is a black hoodie. And on the back, it says Blackcraft, and it looks just like the bandana. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. This is so cool. The bandana while wearing the hoodie. Yes, please. And it feels like a good weight. It feels a little bit thin, but not too bad. It has the hood, of course. And then, of course, it has the little pull strings right here and the zipper. And then it says Blackcraft in there. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm going to be wearing this a lot because I love zip up hoodies, especially in the fall, because at least here in Michigan, you usually go through different seasons in one day during the fall. So in the morning, it'll be like winter, dead of winter. Early afternoon is like spring, afternoon is true fall, and then it falls back into winter again. Okay, that's how fall is here in Michigan. So having the convenience of a zip up hoodie is really, really nice. And I am a huge fan of this hoodie. So when I opened the package, I thought this was the front of it, and I didn't see a zipper. That's why I thought it was a pullover hoodie, but I was looking at it from the wrong side. It is a zip up. So those were all of the items that we got in that box. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys shop at Blackcraft? Do you get their mystery boxes? What's in the new one? If you guys got the volume 5 mystery box, let me know what's in that. I might watch some YouTube videos on it later. So now that we have all of the items unboxed and everything out, I am going to try on the shirts and the hoodie for you guys so you guys can see what everything looks like. The bandana I'm not going to try on today just because I have my hair done with this little like bloody hatchet bow, and we're going to leave that in. So let's get into the try on portion right now. Okay, so here is what the first Blackcraft Cult shirt looks like on. This is the one with the little bat skeleton. It feels really nice. It fits me really, really good. I'm really glad I went with the small instead of the X small. I almost got the X small, but then I was like, I don't want an extra small hoodie, so I went with small. And I'm glad that the shirts are all in small as well, because this fits me so nice and snug. Like I said, usually I prefer a baggier shirt over these like tighter ones, but this one isn't bad. I think it looks really flattering on me. It works with my body type. The back is just plain black, and we have the black and the red. Here is what the first shirt looks like on. Fits really good. I'm feeling it. Okay, and here is what the second shirt looks like. This is the one with the bat. This one I knew I was gonna really like, even though I really like the first shirt much better on me than just looking at it, if that makes sense. This one I like just as much. The little bat on the front. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. I'm gonna be wearing this all the time. This is just, I love it. Seize the night. Oh, look at that. He's so cute. And the back is just plain black, and the front with the cute little bat. Oh my gosh, I love him. He's so cute. Now let's try on the hoodie. You guys, I love this hoodie so much. Again, really glad I went with the small. It fits me perfectly. It's not too tight. It's not too big. It comes down to like just below my hips right here in the hoodie end. I know I don't really have like the best setup to do these kinds of videos, but yeah, so here's how low the sweatshirt comes down. Yes, hi, sweatpants. Nobody ever sees the bottom half of me, so when I'm filming videos, so I usually always have sweatpants on. Here's how low the hoodie comes down, so it is a really good length. The sleeves come down to about here. Really comfy, really warm. It feels really cozy on. At first I thought it was going to be a little too thin, but it's actually like a really good weight. And then here is the front embellishing. Have the hood. Sorry, my bun is making it look a little bit awkward, but we have the hood and the back. Oh, look at it. Would you just look at it? Oh my gosh, that is so freaking cool. Oh, I love the bat and the rose and everything. Definitely going to be wearing this quite a bit because this is amazing. And I absolutely love the back of it. Okay guys, so that is everything that we got in the Blackcraft Cult Halloween Women's Mystery Box for this year, even though it is volume 1, so it is considered an older one. For me, it's new, and for some of you guys, it may be new as well, but that's everything we got. Let me know what your thoughts are down below. What do you like? What don't you like? What do you think of the price of this box? Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you go down and give it a huge thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. If you are new to my channel and this is the first video of mine that you are seeing, go down and hit that red subscribe button. I would also greatly appreciate that. As for the rest of you, I love you all so very much. Thank you for hanging out with me today, and I will see you very soon in my next video. I love you guys. Bye. Mwah.